Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a little shop update. Since the last video, a few things have changed. We're going to go over those today. Alright, one of the first changes that you'll probably notice, I'm pretty sure in the last video the red bench was actually in the corner. I moved all the toolboxes down, moved the bench here so it's more usable. Then I also picked up a Harbor Freight parts washer. They had on clearance for like, I don't know, 100 bucks, 120 bucks, something like that. Heavily mixed their degreaser because I don't know how to read directions on it, but stays up. It's actually pretty nice for what it is. I mean, I just wanted the bigger one instead of this little one for oil pans, stuff like that. And then the biggest thing is that right there, 9,000 pound Atlas lift. It's a 9 KOH model. I mean, other than that, I mean, Tim with Astro Auto, he'll probably be jealous a little bit, which is okay. He'll get his shop and his stuff, but that's where we're at. Let's pretty much, I do half-ton trucks on. I don't know if I go any heavier than that. Plus, I don't really want to. But there's that. Had some electrical ran, which that's not really a big deal. So had some outlets put on the back wall back here, because all I had was an outlet there, and then there's one right under the lift right there. So I had 3 more outlets put on. There's a block-off plate there. I have a dedicated welder circuit. Once I get the bigger welder, I'll be able to tell him what plug I have and he can get me set up with that. That's about it for in here. Got to replace that plug. Doesn't want to keep things plugged in, but I got the fancy little snap-on clock going on. Riley's gave me a calendar. School gave me a bunch of notepads. That's all in here. We'll go out, and I know Tim wanted to see how the mechanical room works. And that, let me grab, where'd I put it? There's my flashlight. So we'll go out front, go around. I'll get a key eventually for this, but this used to be a gas station, a mobile gas station. So they got this nice little room with a toilet that's gonna get taken out. But I want to use this for storing stuff, tools like my engine crane, engine stand, stuff I'm not using every day, to free up a little bit of floor space inside. So then finally, it's got a light, but it don't work. But regardless, it has a fuel oil heater, not a waste oil, but he actually uses fuel oil. I guess it's something similar to diesel. I am not sure, to be honest. Here's a tank. I don't know if it's 275 gallons or whatever it is, but the tank there, I got to get it filled yet. And then air compressor, which is kind of ancient, but it still works. How my line that runs up and pops through the wall into the shop, and then obviously that's where the heat comes out. All right, there you go. That's the current state of the shop. I have thought about putting another lift here, but right now I can't really justify the expense. I have the first one there. The electrical I talked about, that costs quite a bit of money to get done because I could do it, but since I'm paying rent, I let the landlord's electrician do it, paid him. That way I'm not liable. I don't be liable for that. Plus I don't want to start a fire. I don't like fires. So anyways, that is the current state of the shop. Any questions, go ahead and drop them down in the comment box. Oh, I did forget to mention in the last video about the shop, I showed a lot of the cars that needed work done. Unfortunately, I had to get them done. I had to get some money together to pay for the electrical, pay for the lift. So I had to recoup some money. So unfortunately, I didn't get anything recorded on those. I just wanted to hammer them out. So hopefully we'll start getting some more videos here coming soon. I got some work lined up. So hopefully, yeah, we should get some more videos rolling here hopefully pretty soon. So if I don't have a video out beforehand, have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hopefully we'll get stuff out before then. I'm planning on it. I got one tomorrow I want to do a video on. So again, take care guys. See you in the next video.